criminal complaint has been made to the police by 50/50 against Jaeon Hong-jun, the CEO of their firm ATTRAKT. The legal team representing 50/50, Baron, formally disclosed on August 17 that the organization had filed a criminal complaint against Jaeon Hong-jun for violating the Act on the Aggravated Punishment, etc. of Specific Economic Crimes, breach of trust. The 50/50 members were first contracted to Star Crew Entertainment, Jaeon Hong-jun's former firm, before moving to ATTRAKT in advance of their debut. Baron reiterated a claim the law firm had previously made in court regarding specific financial problems resulting from the exchange of money and debts between the two businesses. Here is the complete statement from the law firm. On August 17, 2023, 50/50, Kina, Sena, CO. Aaron, filed a criminal complaint against ATTRAKT CEO Jaeon Hong-jun on the charge of violating the Act on the Aggravated Punishment, etc. of Specific Economic Crimes, breach of trust, at the Seoul Gangnam Police Station. It came to light that CEO Jaeon Hong-jun used the advance payment Star Crew Entertainment originally received from their album distributor for unknown expenditures, then nominally included it under girl group investment costs, meaning that ATTRAKT took on the financial obligation of that advance payment. And 50/50's digital music and album revenue is being used to pay off this debt. Additionally, it was confirmed that ATTRAKT had the advance payment of 2 billion won, approximately $1.49 million, that needed to be received from 50/50's album distributor deposited to Star Crew Entertainment, not ATTRAKT. The above act is a crime that falls under commercial breach of trust by causing financial damage to ATTRAKT. Up until now, the agency, ATTRAKT, has consistently evaded responsibility by making light of 50/50's request for provisional disposition, to suspend the validity of their exclusive contracts, as complaints about the payment of their earnings. However, the 50/50 members' grievances about the agency's delay in providing statements on their earnings, missing revenue, and violation of their settlement obligations go beyond mere complaints. Therefore, as long as CEO Jaeon Hong-jun, who has committed breach of trust through embezzlement and misconduct in financial accounting, remains in charge of ATTRAKT, they can no longer maintain their exclusive contracts with their agency ATTRAKT. In addition to publicly revealing the urgency of 50/50's situation, filing this criminal complaint was an unavoidable measure to make it clear in concrete terms why they cannot maintain their exclusive contracts with their agency. At present, the truth is being distorted on the internet, social media, and YouTube, and undue criticism has been formed on the basis of these distortions, to the point where some of the content is beyond tolerable. We entreat you to please refrain from criticism based on unconfirmed facts or speculation. In June, 50/50 first requested a suspension of their exclusive contracts with their advertising firm ATTRAKT. The court ultimately suggested that the parties mediate their dispute. The 50/50 members, however, informed the court on August 16 that they had no intention of continuing with mediation, which means that their legal battle with ATTRAKT will go back to trial. In the meantime, ATTRAKT had earlier asserted that 50/50 had broken their exclusive contracts with the agency by joining up with another business after being cajoled by the Giver's CEO Ahn Sung-il, who had previously been in charge of producing 50/50's songs. Ahn Sung-il and numerous other The Giver's personnel were charged by ATTRAKT with fraud, duty violation, and business obstruction. Although ATTRAKT later released an audio recording from May in which an executive director at Warner Music Korea inquires about a 20 billion won, roughly $15.3 million, buyout that he had already discussed with Ahn Sung-il, ATTRAKT initially refuted claims that they had been involved in approaching 50/50 about breaking their contracts with ATTRAKT to sign with another agency.